Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Answer option number A, Indira Gandhi. How many Indian states have the Hindi language? Answer 10. Which language is used most in Maharashtra? Answer Marathi. Which is the highest mountain in India? Answer Kanchenjunga. Who built the Red Fort in Delhi? Answer Shah Jahan. What is the currency of USA? Answer dollar. When we celebrate the Indian Post Day? Answer 9th October. Where is the Ula Lake situated in India? Answer Jammu and Kashmir. Which type of lens is used in the camera? Answer convex lens. What is the Canada national sport? Answer ice hockey. On which date is Army Day celebrated? Answer January 15. Which country is known as the birthright of cricket game? Answer England. Who is the inventor of gravitational rules? Answer Newton. Who discovered the television? Answer John Lockwood.